Hi friends, today we're going to do a little nature craft. So all you need is a piece of construction paper, scissors, a marker, contact paper, something sticky to stick this on, and you're going to need to go on a little hike. So Hazel and I went on a hike today, a little walk actually, and we found some flowers, we found some leaves, some grass, and some little leaves and clovers. So the first thing that we're gonna do is decide what kind of shape we're gonna want to use for our outline. So I made a car. That's gonna be my outline. So I'll show you how to draw the car really quickly, and then I'm gonna cut it out. So I'll show you how to do that. Watch me. Okay, so now that I have the outline of my car, I'm going to put it on my contact paper. So you want to get the contact paper and separate just half of it. So your parents might need to help you with this part too, but the rest is all going to be here. So as soon as you get half of your sticky paper out, you're going to want to flip it so that way stick things onto it. So the first thing we want to stick on, it's so sticky, is our outline of our car. So I gotta stick that on. And it's gonna look like that. And then I'm gonna start putting on whatever decorations I want. So some of my flowers, and they just stick right on. You don't even need any glue, which is so much fun. And it's really good for all ages. So if you have a little brother or sister, they can do it too. And it helps build those fine motor skills. So I'm gonna speed it up so you can see what it looks like when I'm all done. Okay, and there you have it. I'm pretty much done. There's my little flower car. And the next step that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open up the other side of the contact paper and then flip it over. Make it all sticky and close it up, and make sure you press it really flat and tight. But however you do it, it doesn't matter because it's gonna look so nice. When you're done, you can give it a little trim, but you don't have to. You can keep it how it is if you like. But if you want to trim it, don't worry, it's not going to come apart. It will stay together as long as you leave a little bit. Don't cut it too close to the design. And now my flower car can hang in my window and the sun can shine through it, or I can just look at it. And I bet if you make a bunch of them, they would look so nice. So also a fun project for Father's Day. I hope you guys liked it. I'll see you later. Have a good day.